Yeah, ma'am. Please tell me what's your name and which university you have come from and what is this
I
regarding?
am Advita Gracie. I am Student Federation of India State Committee member. And I am studying in Dayanand Sagar University. I am a mechanical engineering student. But here I am as a part of Student Federation of India. I am taking part in this strike. We have organized this strike because there is no safety nowadays for girl child in India. That is a really very important thing, and that is the main thing that we all are fighting for. And as Indians, whenever we speak, we say there is no safety for girls, there is no safety for women, and mainly nowadays it has become a very common case that even in campuses there is no safety. In Bangalore itself, we have seen many such cases that women children are being raped by the lecturers itself, and there are many such cases. Even in schools also, 7th standard students have become pregnant. Such cases are really very terrible in India, and even it is sad to say that there are more cases in Karnataka too. So we are raising our voice against such things. There should be awareness in all the campuses against this. The little children, the school children, everybody should have awareness about these matters. And we will not leave the government until there is safety for the girl children. There should be safety everywhere. In all the campuses on earth, we need safety for girl children. Men need girls for everything. In all the fields, girls are there. As police, girls are there. As politicians, girls are there. Girls are everywhere. But safety is nowhere. We know even in government fields also girls are being raped. There are many being tortured. So we have some cases which have come out, but there are many cases which have not yet come out. Even in homes also, we have domestic violence. So there is no safety anywhere for girls on this earth. So that is the main cause we are standing here. When we take to consideration for other countries, for the rape cases and all, it is the death penalty is the case. What happens is they give death penalty for them. If we consider in North Korea and all, they shoot them on the spot, they behead them. Such systems are there which are very terrifying. People will get scared by such things. So strong rules should be set up by the government, so such things may not happen again.
Whom do you think responsible for all these things?
The government is really responsible.
Why do you think government is responsible when the universities are being under vice chancellors? Why they are not controlling?
Sir, the thing is, the government, if they had taken strict rules and if they had kept the strict punishment, if I want to commit such thing, I would get scared. Hey, it is a very bad thing. My situation will be worse in the end. But nowadays, it has become so common. I rape, I go inside, I come out within 1 year, I come out within 1 month. Such things are happening, sir. We know the people are bribing them. Officials are involved in such things. This is so devastating. If the government takes a proper rule, if the government is giving a proper punishment for such people, then why can't the vice chancellors or the campuses be safe? Even the campuses people can understand, right? Such things are there, and campuses also will become more safe. Only the capitalists are taking over everything, and such things are troubling the middle class families, the lower class families, the girls, the minority people. Everybody are under trouble by such things. So as students,
what is your final word?
The government should give very cruel punishment for all such people who are involved in such things. The government should take strict action against this. And there are many unsolved cases. For example, we can take the Saujanya's case or anybody's case for that matter. There are many cases which are going for throughout years, which are not yet solved. Why? Who is involved in such matters? Is our police system not that much efficient for working these things? So the government should really take a strict action against all this. Thank you.